Hello, everybody at Papercrafter's Workshop. It's me again. Why am I here? Because we had another sneak peek this week, and I wanted to put together a little hint video for those of you who missed the full sneak peek. So this week, we talked about a product line that I am totally excited, in love with, called Perfect Pouches. I could just go on and on about it, but instead, let's just watch the hint video. And as a premier retail launch partner, Papercrafters Workshop is going to have everything you need from the Organized Option brand in January with our big product launch. So keep going on and on. Let's watch the video. So this was the first Perfect pouch, and you can tell by looking at it, if you're a crafter, it's bigger than 12 by 12. It was designed for that. I wanted a pouch that I could put 12 by 12 stuff in and carry easily somewhere, all zipped up, right? Like a whole project almost. So I started designing this pouch. My biggest thing was this opening, right? I wanted to be able for it to open up all the way, easy to get in. I didn't want to fight a top zipper. And then I thought, well, if I'm going to put it on a shelf, I might want to have a label on it. I'm going to go to my overhead here. I might want to be able to label it, right? So we put this label pocket on the side. And the more I thought about this product, the more excited I got about it. And so I went kind of crazy with the product line. So I added the shoulder strap option. So all the pieces that you're going to see come separately. The shoulder strap option goes to 64 inches long. So you can wear it long or short, tight or loose, depending. And then you'll notice that they all have a loop and these little silver clamps. And because once I started designing this, I thought I need more pockets. And I originally thought they would all go on the inside. And then I was like, what if I could just clip another pocket to the outside? And so that's how all these outside pockets came to be. So this one, you can see the zipper is a little bit different than what you're going to find on most pouches, because the zipper goes all the way around the corner on the pouch, which means it's easy to put things in there that are that size and shape, right? So in this case, 8.5 by 11. A4 paper really comfortably in there. Then you've got this other pocket on the front. That's super easy. And now you can connect it. So these are just little spring clips, circle connectors, and you just push on the brake in it and hook it through the loop. And that is going to connect it to each other, to whichever bag you want to connect to. I'm trying to show you, right? It's just super easy the circle connector just breaks. You're just going to push that loop through the brake in it, right? It's easier if you're not trying to do it on, no, you can't see, but it just, so you just push through the brake and slip it around. It's going to work. Okay, so so you can just keep linking them together. And then this one was good for 6 by 6. And then I thought it would be fun to have something with the pouch. So again, I can take all these connectors and link these together, right? The skinny pouch, the ID pouch, the cash pouch, the little round pouch. And then we also even have this little pouch. The only way to get this half circle pouch is to buy the additional circle connectors, which I would really recommend anyway, because then you can connect whatever you want, but then they come packaged in this little pouch. So I'm going to go back here. So I just want to show you real quickly a couple of them put together. So this is the big base pouch, and I'm going to go overhead again because the glare I think is better. So this is the big base pouch, and you can see here's what I'm talking about. This is 8.5 by 11 paper, and you can see because I have the zipper all the way around the corner, instead of pinching right here at the ends, it's really easy to get those things in and out. You got a long pocket in the front. I've got a ruler and scissors in there. And then even in the back, I just want to show you how much space you've got here. So I have got a fully loaded fancy folio here with all the project supplies in it, right? And I've got a 12 by 12 paper pad. And the beautiful thing about it is they stick up above the opening. And so you can get to them really easily. And then this all around zipper closure makes it super simple to close that up. So great for crafting. Here is the little version, the square, the small square. And I just connected the pen pocket. I've got a card kit in there and some pens, right? Easy peasy. I put the skinny strap on that one. So skinny strap. And again, all the parts are available separately. So the Perfect Pouch collection, you're going to love it for so many different things. I'm showing it to you with crafting supplies in it, but one of my favorite ways, so I get all these products early, right? One of my favorite things to do with the big base pouch is to use it when I go to the pool, because I can put, and if you live in California or Florida or somewhere there's a beach, I guess there's a lot of places with a beach besides that, but, or you're going to the lake or whatever it is, you can put your towel, you can put your book, your sunscreen, a bottle of water, all in that big pouch, right? And then you can connect the smaller pouch to it. So now you've got your wallet, your phone, your valuable stuff in the smaller pouch. And if you're gonna go for a walk on the beach or go to the bathroom or something where you don't mind leaving your towel and your book, but you want to be able to take your, your valuables with you, now you can just take the little small piece with you, leave the bigger stuff all there that you're not worried about. So super, I mean, there's so many things. My sister loaded one up with all her watercolor supplies. So I could go on and on about the uses for this, but it's only supposed to be a hint video, not a full sneak peek. So the Perfect Pouch collection, you are absolutely going to love it for so many different things. And it is going to be available in January from the Organized Option and your favorite premier retailer launch partner.